Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to fix a Honda Accord window off track. First, let's identify the common signs that your window has come off its track, such as a grinding noise or uneven movement. We'll also quickly review the basic components involved, like the window regulator and tracks. Gathering your tools, such as screwdrivers and a trim removal tool, is the perfect starting point for this repair. Now, let's get inside the door. You'll need to carefully remove the interior door panel, which is usually held by a few screws and clips. Once the panel is loose, disconnect any electrical connectors for switches and the door handle cables. With the panel off, you can inspect the window regulator, motor, and the tracks for any damage or misalignment. With the inner workings exposed, gently guide the window glass back into its proper tracks. Sometimes, the window simply slips out of the rubber channels. Ensure the window is securely attached to the regulator, tightening any loose bolts if necessary. Before putting everything back, connect the window switch and test the window's movement to confirm it operates smoothly. Once you've confirmed the window is working correctly, it's time to reassemble. Reattach all electrical connectors and cables, then carefully snap the door panel back into place, securing it with its screws. Perform a final check of the window's operation. For smoother long-term function, consider applying a small amount of silicone lubricant to the window tracks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.